up, everybody? My name is Hilarious, and today we have the biggest unboxing yet. This is the Walkable Mop by TopMop. It's a walkable style with big wheels, big wheel design, super big wheel, be walkable, durable material, protect the floor. Let's see, let's turn this box around. It even comes with a nice handle, so it's easily movable. Start number one. It's walkable by wheels. It's got a stainless steel basket. It's got a water outlet design for easy emptying of water. That's the top view. That's the side view. Walkable style big wheels with a nice handle. And like I said, it's got a nice handle for easily keeping in the box. It's got a nice retractable handle for pulling it along with you. And that's the outside of the box. Let's see what's inside. And that's what we have, nicely packaged. Let's take the plastic off. Looks like it comes already assembled. Only assembly required is the handle. Alright, so that's what's inside the box. There's the handle. There's the stainless steel spinning drum, which is nice. There's the mop. And, ooh, you get an extra mop. What else is in here? Get this thing and instructions, and they always want us to be happy. Welcome to the TopMop. Thank you very much for choosing our brand, and we hope our product will help you enjoy cleaning more. It's important that you feel good about every purchase you make from us. If you are not completely satisfied, if you are having any problems, or if you just have a quick question, please contact us so we can help. And there's their email for more information, which is very nice. So let's see, quick overview of this. There we go, there's the handle, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. That's the bucket, that's a cleaning shaft, there's a mop head. So I'm guessing this part goes on the mop, which would make sense. And what else do we have? Oh, there's how to change the mop refill, assembling. Alright, so that's that. There's a nice little sticker for the maximum water level. So it's pretty straightforward. Let's get the mop handle out. And I will say, if you'd like this fine product, the link will be in the description below. You can get it on Amazon.com. They ship it pretty quickly, so if you have a dirty kitchen, a bathroom, any type of area that can be mopped, you don't have to wait too long to mop it, and you can start having fun in no time. So just in that quick time, I have assembled the mop. It just screws together and goes in there to spin, and then goes in there to get it all nice and clean water, dirty water. Nice little handle here. Nice little extendable handle here. Very cool. right here is the outlet spout. So that's where you can empty your water there. There's the big wheels. Go over all kinds of tough terrain. So yeah, that's the TopMop Walkable Mop, walkable style, big wheels. And that's pretty much all I have. So thanks for watching. Drop a like if you liked that episode. Comment below what other products you'd like me to review. And like I said before, the link to this fine product will be in the description below. Thanks again. Peace.